Hey everyone, what's going on? My name is Alex Bell, and I make Twitch and Kick tutorial videos to help streamers grow faster and smarter. As of 17th of January 2026, I've been streaming on Twitch and Kick for years, and like many of you, my goal was always the same, to become a Twitch and Kick partner. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I increased my Kick viewers using FollowersPanda and how you can do the same step by step. Growing viewers organically can take a long time, especially when you're starting out or trying to push your channel to the next level. That's when I decided to try FollowersPanda's Buy Kick Viewers service, and honestly, it helped boost my stream visibility and made my channel look more active during live sessions. FollowersPanda is one of the oldest and most reputable social media service platforms trusted by streamers across Twitch and Kick. FollowersPanda is a corporate and reliable website that provides services to improve your live streams. They offer Kick viewers, Twitch followers, engagement services, and more, all designed to help your stream gain momentum and social proof. Now let me show you exactly how to buy Kick viewers step by step. From the main menu, click on Buy Kick Viewers. Choose the package you want. For this demo, I'm selecting 10 Kick viewers for this account. Click Buy Now. You'll be redirected to the checkout page. Now enter your Kick username and email ID, then click Proceed to checkout. A verification code will be sent to your email. Copy that code, paste it on the verification page, create a password, and proceed. On the checkout page, double-check your Kick username, then choose your payment method. FollowersPanda supports credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, and even crypto, which is really convenient. Once the payment is complete, your Kick viewers start arriving within a few minutes. As you can see here, we now have active Kick viewers on the stream. That's it. This is how I used FollowersPanda's Buy Kick viewers to grow my stream and improve visibility on Kick. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and check out my other Twitch and Kick tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.